We all know the feeling. You have a piece of tech that you love using, maybe it's an iPhone. You use it all the time and love the device. Then Apple releases a new iPhone model and suddenly your current phone seems outdated. All those upgraded camera lenses, faster processing speeds, and sleek new designs make your current device feel ancient. But to get the new model, you need to drop some serious cash. Well, that new phone feel is coming to your AirPods Pro 2, courtesy of iOS 17. And the best part is that there are 6 new features you're getting completely free. And a couple of these upgrades are gonna make your AirPods Pro feel brand new. Apple is taking AirPods Pro 2 to the next level with intelligent audio, instant controls, and faster connectivity. Let's go over everything, starting with adaptive audio. This new capability continuously optimizes noise cancellation in your AirPods Pro 2 based on your surroundings and motion. So 1 second it's blocking appliance hums, and the next it's piping in critical traffic sounds. Adaptive audio takes transparency mode to the next level by actively tuning it to the environment you're in real time, so you no longer need to switch between active noise cancellation and transparency modes manually. Next, conversation awareness. Now, this feature to me is a big deal. It'll automatically detect when someone starts talking to you and will instantly lower the playback volume of what you're listening to and boost their voice while lowering background noise so you can hear them clearly. No more awkward, what did you say, moments. Conversation awareness ensures you'll never miss an important conversation again. And it also helps when you're on a phone call as well, reducing the background noise around you while you speak. Honestly, I wish every pair of headphones had this. Okay, the next new feature coming to AirPods Pro 2 with iOS 17 is personalized volume. This uses on-device intelligence to gradually learn and apply your optimal loudness settings based on your individual listening habits, alongside the environmental conditions that you happen to be in. So in other words, maybe you like the volume to be a certain way when you're sitting in quiet and a totally different way when you're riding the subway. This is like having a personal sound engineer continually tuning your music to perfection for you. The ability to set it and forget it with personalized volume is pretty clutch. Next, let's talk about mute controls. And this may be hard to believe or something you just might not have noticed, but up until this point, AirPods Pro doesn't have an onboard way to mute. In other words, if you're using the AirPods and you want to mute yourself, you need to mute from your iPhone or iPad or whatever connected device you're using. iOS 17 fixes this, and AirPods Pro will finally let you mute them from the AirPods themselves by squeezing the stem during a call. It's a small change, but the ability to instantly mute call audio right when you need to just takes the AirPods Pro to another level. Now, next is a feature that the AirPods have had for years, but the problem is this feature didn't really work all that great for a lot of people. I'm talking about auto device switching. In iOS 17, switching between your devices with your AirPods Pro 2 is getting insanely faster. It's the seamless, speedy auto device switching experience we should have had when the feature was first introduced. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about, what I mean is if you're using your AirPods with your iPhone and then switch to using your Mac, your AirPods will automatically switch over to your Mac's audio. Then you leave your Mac and you pull up a YouTube video on your iPad, the AirPods just seamlessly switch over to your iPad. While using it in the iOS 17 beta, I'm getting near instantaneous audio transitions between my iPhone, iPad, and Macs with zero lag or cutout. So instead of calling this a new feature, let's just call it this feature has finally been fixed. Then there's Siri. For all of Siri's shortcomings, I love it for smart home control, and I also use it when I have my AirPods in and I'm walking down the street. Siri sees 2 upgrades as it pertains to AirPods Pro 2 in iOS 17. First, you'll no longer have to say the hey before saying Siri. Instead, you can just say Siri to activate it. Secondly, you can now chain multiple requests together without repeating Siri each time. So you can say something like, Siri, turn up the volume and play my running playlist, and that'll execute both commands rapid fire back to back instead of you having to do it one at a time. With several game-changing intelligent audio features, instant mute controls, lightning fast switching, and an upgraded voice assistant, iOS 17 delivers big upgrades for AirPods Pro 2, making them much better wireless earbuds than they already were, all for free. Let me know which feature you're most excited about down in the comments below. Thanks for watching as always, guys. I appreciate your support. I'm Andrew Edwards, and I will catch you in the next video.